Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about successors and predecessors and how to write number in expanded form and standard form. So, what is successor and how to find the successor of a given number? सबसे पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि सक्सेसर किसे कहते हैं और सक्सेसर को किस तरीके से फाइंड आउट किया जाता है. So, the number that comes after a given number is called its successor. दिए हुए नंबर के बाद में आने वाले नंबर को सक्सेसर कहते हैं. और टू फाइंड द सक्सेसर वी हैव टू ऐड 1 टू द गिवन नंबर. और सक्सेसर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जो दिया हुआ नंबर है उसमें 1 ऐड कर देने से हमें सक्सेसर मिलेगा. सी द एग्जाम्पल 7893. दिस इज द गिवन नंबर. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द सक्सेसर ऑफ दिस गिवन नंबर. सो ऐड 1 to this given number we get the successor. जब हम 7893 में +1 कर देंगे तो हमें इसका सक्सेसर फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा. सो द सक्सेसर ऑफ 7893 इज 7894. Here 48,536. Add 1 to get the successor of this number. So successor of 48,536 is 48,537. Now, what is predecessors? The number that comes before a given number is called its predecessor. दिए हुए नंबर से पहले आने वाले नंबर को हम predecessor कहते हैं. And to find the predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. predecessor find out करने के लिए जो दिया हुआ नंबर है उसमें -1 कर देंगे तो हमें predecessor मिलेगा. So number is 89,999 minus 1. So 89,998. This number is the predecessor of this given number. So predecessor of 89,999 is 89,998. Now what is the predecessor of 7,890? So -1 from this number we get the predecessor, that is 7,889. Now see exercise 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पेज 19. हमारे एक्सरसाइज 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पेज 19 में फाइंड द सक्सेसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर. दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, सो वी हैव टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. 4,785. What is the successor of 4,785? What we have to do? We have to add 1 to this number to get the successor. 4,785 का सक्सेसर निकालने के लिए इसमें हम +1 कर देंगे तो हमें मिलेगा सक्सेसर 4,786. Here 6,489. Successor of 6,489 is +1 in this number. We get the successor 6,490. Again plus this 1 in this given number, we get the successor 15,325. Here is 20,008. So what is the successor of 20,008? Just +1 in this number, you get the successor 20,009. +1 in this number, you get the successor 15,924. 7,637. What is the successor of this number? Add 1 to this number, you get 7,638. 3,690 +1, we get the successor 3,691. 9,080 +1, we get the successor 9,081. 38,265 +1, we get the successor 38,266. 9,432 +1, we get the successor 9,433. Now predecessor, you have to -1 to get the predecessor. So first number is 1,248. What is the predecessor? -1 to the given number, we get the predecessor 1247. जब हम 1248 में से 1 को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें predecessor मिलेगा 1247. Similarly 1010 minus 1 we get the predecessor 1009. 48,321 minus 1 we get the predecessor 48,320. 73,281 minus 1 we get the predecessor 73,280. 4,864 minus 1 we get the predecessor 4,863. 9,999 minus 1 we get the predecessor 9,998. 8,977 minus 1 we get the predecessor 8,976. 99,999 minus 1 we get the predecessor 99,998. 43,281 minus 1 we get the predecessor 43,280. 10,000 minus 1 we get the predecessor 9,999. Now expanded form. What is expanded form? In expanded form we have to write the number according to their place value. Expanded form में हम इस नंबर को उसके प्लेस वैल्यू के हिसाब से लिखेंगे. So here is 2159. So 9 at 1's place, 5 at 10's place, 1 at 100 place and 2 at 1000 place. So first we write the number at 1000 place, that is 2. Now 2 लिखने के बाद उसके पीछे देखो कितना नंबर है 1 2 3. So put 30 here plus here 1. So this is at 100 place. So 1, how many numbers after 1? 1 2. So 20. 5 tens place. After 5 how many numbers? 1. So 10. 50 plus 9. So this is, now write in word 2000s. ये 2000 है, इसको हम वर्ड में लिखेंगे 2000s plus 100 प्लस 5 टेंस, क्योंकि ये टेंस प्लेस पे इसलिए होगा 5 टेंस प्लस 9 वंस. सिमिलरली हियर वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So write 1 first and count the number after 1. 1 2 3 4 and put 40. 1 2 3 4 plus 1. Here 1000 plus digit is 2. After 2 how many number? 1 2 3. So put 30 plus after 2 number is 6. And what place is 6? 100 place. And after 6 how many numbers? 2 numbers. So put 20. Then 4. 1 number is after 4. So 10 plus 3. Now write this in word. So this is 1/10,000 plus this is 2,000 plus this is 600. This 10,000, thousands, hundreds, this show its places. ये जो 10,000 है, 1000 है, 100 है, ये डिजिट के प्लेस शो कर रहा है कि नंबर किस प्लेस पे है. प्लस 4 टेंस प्लस 3 वंस. Now 8,940. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. 8. How many number after 8? 1 2 3. So put 30. Then 9. 1 2 0 plus then 4. How many digit? 1 plus 0. So this is 8,000. That means 8 thousands plus this is 900. So 9 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 0 ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 9 1 2 3 4 40 1 2 3 4 plus 6 1 2 3 0 plus 5 1 2 0 plus 7 1 0 then plus 1. So this is 9 10,000. This is 6,000 and 500. So 500s. Write this in word. 7 tens. Then 1 1. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Again 4 1 2 3 4 4 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. So this is 4 10,000s and यहाँ पे 1000 100 और 1 टेंस पे 0 है तो इसको कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे बल्कि सीधे डायरेक्ट 2 1s लिखेंगे. So this is your expanded form. Now here the question are given in expanded form. You have to write in standard form. यहाँ जो question है expanded form में already given है, हमको इसको standard form में लिखना है. So 1 10,000. 1 10,000 means 1 के ऊपर 4 0. 1 2 3 4. Why 4? Count from here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 में 10,000 लिखने के लिए हमको 1 के ऊपर 4 0 लिखना होता है, तब वो 10,000 कहलाता है. प्लस 5,000. 5 के ऊपर 3 0 डेट इज 5,000. प्लस 100. 1 के ऊपर 2 0 100. 6 टेंस मतलब 6 के ऊपर 1 0 6 टेंस एंड 4 ones means 4. Now add all these. So this is at ones place, 4 at ones place, 6 at tens place, 1 at 100 place, 5 at 1000 place, and this one as 10,000. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 1 is 10,000, 5 is 1000, 1 is 100, 6 at tens, and 4 is ones. So this is your standard form. This number is called standard form number. Now here 5,000. So 5 put 3 0, that is 5,000 plus 800. 8 put 2 0, 800. 7 tens, 7 put 1 0, 7 tens. 3 ones, that is 3. Now ones, tens, 100. See, ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. So 3 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 8 at 100 place, and 5 at 1000 place. So your standard value is 5,873. Similarly here 9 10,000. So 9 1 first write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 because 10,000 is given. So 9 10,000 1 2 3 4 4 0 1 2 3 4 0 plus 9,000. 9,000 में क्या होता है 1 2 3 3 0. 900. 9 में 2 0 900. 9 tens. 9 में 0 9 tens होगा then 9. So now write 9 at ones place, this 9 at tens place, this at 100 place, 1000 place, and this is 10,000 place. So your answer is 99,999. Again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 6 10,000. 1 2 3 4 0. 6 के ऊपर 4 0. 3,000. 3 के ऊपर 3 0. 700. 7 के ऊपर 2 0. 8 tens. 8 के ऊपर 1 0 8 tens plus 0 ones. So 0 at ones place, 8 at tens place, 7 at 100 place, 3 as 1000 place, and 6 as 10,000 place. So your answer is 63,780. Now again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. See here 10,000 is given. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 1 2 3 4 4 0. 7 के ऊपर 4 0. 0 tens, 0 thousands, that means 1 0. 0 100 means 1 0. 0 tens means 1 0 plus 4 ones means 4. So 4 at ones place, 0 at tens place, 0 at 100 place, 0 at 1000 place, and 7 as 10,000 place. Sorry, This is 4. So your answer is 70,004.